इस सेक्शन में हम सीखेंगे कि आप अपने वैले डेस्क पे सेफ्टी और हाइजीन कैसे मेंटेन कर पाएंगे। ये एडवाइजेबल है कि रेस्टोरेंट्स को सेफ रखने के लिए कुछ दिनों के लिए वैले सर्विसेज बंद रखें, क्योंकि कार्स ट्रांसमिशन का पोटेंशियल सोर्सेज हैं। अगर आप वैले सर्विस कंटिन्यू करना चाहते हैं तो ये गाइडलाइंस याद रखें। वैले को हमेशा ग्लव्स और फेस मास्क पहने रहना चाहिए। वैले डेस्क पे इंफॉर्मेशन पोस्टर, सैनिटाइजर्स, एक की बॉक्स या ट्रे, फेस मास्क्स और डिस्पोजेबल ग्लव्स का स्टॉक, वैले टैग्स, सैनिटाइजर स्प्रे, डिस्पोजेबल की पाउचेस और डस्टबिन होना चाहिए। In this section, we will learn about frequently asked questions that will be asked to you by your guests over a phone call.
Hello, thank you for calling our restaurant.
Hi, is your restaurant open for dining?
Yes, our restaurant is open for dining in with limited seating, sir.
And what precautions have you taken for your guests and staff?
We are following strict hygiene and sanitation guidelines that have been given by the Ministry of Health and FSSAI. And yes, sir, we have reduced our seating capacity by 50% so that physical distancing is maintained. And anyone who enters the restaurant has to go through a temperature check. Yes, sir. We have also introduced contactless dining and payment options where you don't have to touch the menu. In the common areas of the restaurant, we have marked boxes on the floor so that physical distancing is maintained. Yes, for sure, sir, the restrooms are cleaned and sanitized after every use, and limited people are allowed to enter the restroom at a time. All tables and chairs are cleaned and sanitized after every use. Any food or drinks that come in are sanitized first and then used for cooking.
The service department is the only department which has the maximum number of interactions with a guest while they are dining. It is essential for this department to maintain all possible safety and hygiene measures. In this section, we will learn about maintaining safety and hygiene under the following different headings: table setup and maintenance, side station setup and maintenance, self-sanitation, and steps of service. Greet your guests by non-touching body language like namaste, hand to heart, or a wave. Each restaurant should have a QR code that the guest can download in order to access the food and drinks menu. Use only bottled water where the outside of the bottle is disinfected and place it on the table. Take orders using tech platforms. If your restaurant doesn't support a tech platform, use a digital copy of the menu and communicate with the guests and punch orders. Carry the food on salvers with food lids to the table along with pre-packed sanitized cutlery and condiments kit. Place the food, cutlery and condiments at the center of the table. Remove the food cover and step away. Avoid serving the food. Pre-plated menu would be an advisable option during these times. This will avoid touch frequency. Avoid bringing new glasses to the table. Refill the ones which are already on the table. This would reduce the chances of transmission. Additional condiment or napkin request should be delivered by placing them on a side plate, and the same should be kept at the center of the table. Bills should be presented digitally using a tech platform. In case of traditional billing, place the bill on a side plate and leave it at the center of the table. Present bill, card, and change cash on a fresh side plate. Avoid bill folders. After every successful card or cash payment, discard the gloves, sanitize your hands and wear new gloves. Side plate used to collect cards or cash should be sent to the dishwash for immediate cleaning. ETC machine should be sanitized after every use. Never touch guest electronic devices with bare hands. Change hand gloves immediately after handling guest electronic devices.